How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to part 7 to Intro to GUI and Java series. Today we're going to be talking about JComboBoxes or Dropdown boxes. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Alright, so first we need to import our JComboBox. So import javax.swing.jcombobox. Next we need to add our JComboBox as a data field for our JFrame. So JComboBox, and we're going to call it Dropdown box. Inside of our constructor, we need to initialize our Dropdown box. So Dropdown box is equal to new JComboBox. Next, we need to set the bounds of our Dropdown box. So Dropdown box.set bounds x 120, y 200, 100 pixels wide, and 20 pixels long. Next, we need to add our JComboBox to our panel. So panel.add Dropdown box. Now let's take a look at our Dropdown box. So we have our label food, and then we have our combo box. So I know what you're thinking.
Hey Trey, how do you add the items to your JComboBox?
In order to add options to your JComboBox, you need to create a string array. For today's example, we're going to have a list of food. So we have apple, pizza, hamburgers, hot dog, and ice cream as our items for our JComboBox. Next, you simply need to pass your string array into your Dropdown box, which we initialized earlier in the constructor. So Dropdown box is equal to new JComboBox and then items. Now let's take a look at our JComboBox again. And we have apple, pizza, hamburgers, hot dog, and ice cream. Next, for our program, we're going to change the label based on what food we choose in our Dropdown box. So first, we need to implement the action listener class. For our action performed method, we're going to first check if ae.getSource is equal to our Dropdown box. We're going to set the text of our label to Dropdown box.get selected item, and we're going to convert that to string. Back in our constructor, we're going to change the foreground of our Dropdown box to Carolina blue. So foreground and then new color, and we're going to use 75, 156, and 211. Next, we're going to say Dropdown box, and we're going to add our action listener. And we're going to put this, which represents our JFrame that is implementing the action listener class. So let's run our program again. And we have our label food, and if we click apple, our label says apple. If we click pizza, our label says pizza. If we pick hamburgers, our label says hamburgers. Hot dog, and ice cream, ice cream. So those are the basics of JComboBoxes in Java. If you have any questions, comment below. And don't forget to leave a like. All right, thank you for watching.